Hello po Cagayanons, people from Bukidnon, Butuan, Iligan, and Tubod. Barrio Gaisano Food Court not just cater dine-in customers but also offers food tray menu for special occasions. And also for this coming Christmas seasons, mag-inquire na po kayo sa nearest branch sa lugar po ninyo para makapili po kayo ng menu na pasok sa budget nyo. These are the several menus to choose from. Meron po silang chop suey, squid spicy, pork humba, back ribs, fried chicken, at meron po silang food tray that could cater 15 to 20 packs or even 25 to 30 packs. At marami pa pong variety na pwede nyo pong pagpilian. Available for pick up lang po kapag o-order kayo. Kaya ilalagay ko po ang number sa comment section below for faster transactions. Kaya mag-book na po kayo as early as now for reservations.